Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back at home with my toy haul. So we stopped off at Toys R Us on my way back from school, and holy cow, they had all of the new roaring figures, the Herrerasaurus, Baryonyx, and the new Allosaurus. That stunning paint job on the head, very vibrant white and violent reds, and it's all like scratchy, terry looking patterning, which just gives it such a, I don't know, it's just so much life and character to this this toy, which usually you see just that bland patterning, but this one really pops out to me. It's really characteristic, and I'm digging it. I'm completely loving it. It's got some neat sound effects too. A growl, a little bit more of a roar, and that blasting roar with the mouth fully open. Really great figure, great for biting. We got Allosaurus here, which is really neat repaint. The feathers on the lower part of the head are all colored. You got that nice orange, and then some other form of brown on the snout. It looks like it's been printed on there actually, because it's all shiny. But you can see the teeth, the cool snout bumps. Really nice to see this figure pop up again in this new lineup. I picked up a pair of Saurolophus for one of my friends. Got one of the figures I missed out on. They have the Wave 2 Snap Squad Attitudes, which I had to pick up the whole line, of course, but I missed out on Wave 1. I'll probably check Entertainment Earth to get those, or I might ask a friend in the States to pick them up for me. But these guys are really neat. You can see they've got snarling faces, these two, the Triceratops and Velociraptor. They're really showing their teeth there. We've got a new species to the lineup, Dimorphodon. This one's squinting, not very happy with anything. Looks pretty ferocious with those big teeth. But I'm digging the color style on this. It's got blues and like this pinky red, which is really nice. This Baryonyx kind of looks like, is it Limbo, I think? Kind of looks like Limbo. It's a little too bright, but Grim and Chaos, you can say Chaos was the first one, but they're already in this figure style, so I guess you can say, can complete the Baryonyx trio. Speaking of the Baryonyx trio, here we have Baryonyx Chaos, finally out, with a really nice paint job. It's got some white along with this very navy blue looking color on the back. It really helps that pop stand out a little bit more. And then this very weird choice of blue on the back of the head and on around the base of the head. The painting inside the mouth is really nice. I'm glad that they actually did the full mouth paint job along with the tongue and everything. That's really cool. It's just the same sound effects as the other Baryonyx. Oh god, the Rex sound effects. That one's a bit better. It's got like the kind of hiss. I like that sound effect. That one's really nice. On the back of the packaging, you can see Tyrannosaurus and Allosaurus back there. And then the Baryonyx. All of these say Camp Cretaceous on them. We have yet to see Allosaurus in Camp Cretaceous, so that might be interesting if we ever get to see it. Also, Tyrannosaurus, I think by far the best figure in the lineup, and the one I was looking forward to the most. I was just a shock to see it in person. It's very large, very chunky. You can see the back stands higher than the Baryonyx. So this is a large figure for its size range. I'm assuming the Kentrosaurus, which is soon to be released, is going to be the same type of size where it's like bigger for the packaging. But yeah, no, the head has full articulation. Very beautiful detailing on that. Paint-wise, it's really nice. And the head has this violent motion, so like that. You blink and you miss it. You pull it. One. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah, so it's quite fast. they're quite violent in the show, which is pretty crazy, but I love the scenes they got. Pretty horrifying. You can see the Spinosaurus like sail on its back. It's got kind of two lumps going on there, a little dip in the middle. And I love the kind of angle it has on the front. It's kind of facing forward a bit at the height there. It's got nice detailing on the rib. I know a lot of people are saying they don't mind this kind of button on the side. It's nice that they gave even the inside detail. Even though it stands out like a sore thumb, it's still detailed. They put in the work, so it's not like, you know, flat or anything, which is really nice that they were thinking about that. You can see on the back there, it's got the head banging action, bar attack, blah, blah, blah. And another big surprise, I was not expecting this. I thought I would have to track this figure down. The baby Brachiosaurus, which kind of a forgettable scene in Camp Cretaceous. It happened so fast. Yeah, no, it's a cute figure. I'm not sure if they put the baby Brachiosaurus in there just to market the toy. That would be very smart if they did so, because it's a cute addition to the toy line. There's a set coming out with Darius and a green version of the baby Brachiosaurus. Very odd that we're getting another paint variant so close to each other in release. But that's happening. So whatever, maybe it hints at a JP3 style green Brachiosaurus in the future, who knows. But for now, this figure is absolutely amazing. It shows all the colors of the adult, fits very well. And of course, baby Brachiosaurus has been featured in past toy lines, so it's kind of like a little fan favorite appearing finally. And nice that it's in the scale that Bumpy's at, where it's a larger one. Yeah, so overall, I was shocked to see these. Really, being in Canada, I wasn't expecting much, because we still haven't seen the camper sets yet. There's still a slight chance we might, but again, if I don't end up seeing them, there's always Entertainment Earth or Amazon to receive those figures. And for some reason, we haven't seen the Attack Pack? What are they called? Oh, not Wild Pack. What are the new ones? Savage Strike or something. We haven't seen those figures. The Brachiosaurus, Sauropelta, Gallimimus, and Velociraptor. And now that the Dilophosaurus and the... Oh shoot, what's a Stegosaur called? I don't know. That Stegosaur are out. I'm getting a little worried that they might not come to Canada, but who knows? If you guys live in Canada and you've already seen them at Walmart or Toys R Us, let me know down in the comments. Maybe it's just a matter of time till Alberta gets restocked. But yeah, who knows? So I hope you guys enjoyed this update video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.